guys how to put together your sample Google Classroom or your Google Classroom really quick. I'm going to show you a couple of things. I'm going to show you how to customize the look of your classroom, and then I'm going to show you how to add an announcement to Google Classroom. So first, I'm going to show you how to customize how your site is going to look. So the one thing you want to do is, once you have your classroom created, as I showed you in a previous video, we are now going to go to where it says select a theme. It's on the right side. We're going to click the select a theme, and it gives you lots of cool little themes and pictures that you can use to make your website what you want it to look like. So there's some here, pretty cool stuff. Or let's say you don't like any of these. So let's say we pick this one. It's the one we had originally. I don't really like it. So if you don't like the pictures, you can choose some patterns. We have some patterns here. Pretty cool patterns, right? Look how this looks. This is pretty neat. So there we go. And you notice that it changes the entire menu bar has changed, the navigation bar. The background color has changed as well. And it kind of all just blends together and makes a nice little theme for you. So let me show you or let's say you didn't like any of these, right? Let's say you didn't like any of these themes. You can upload your own photo from your drive or your hard drive, whatever you desire to do. It's completely your call. I'm going to go back though and go back to my original selection. I like this one with Earth and the sun in the background. So I'm going to select that, and you can see how the menu bar changes. Everything changes to fit the image. So now, once I've done that, what I want to do, I'm going to come over to this plus sign on the bottom right corner, and you see these icons flashing on the screen. Well, these icons are pretty cool, because what these icons do allow you to add content to your classroom. So if I come over here where it says reuse post, let's say I've been teaching this 5 marking periods, and I'm on my second year of teaching computers, and because it's a marking period by marking period subject, I might not want to go back and recreate all these assignments again over and over and over again. So this allows me to go in and reuse an assignment from an earlier classroom. It's pretty cool. So if I was to click this, let's say this was a classroom from another marking period, it will have an assignment that I can throw in here. Okay? And then once, of course, you have this assignment, you can edit it. So watch. So it's like this, and it says digital citizenship. So over here, we're going to say create, or let's say list 3 things on a Google document that demonstrate good and appropriate behavior when using the World Wide Web. So then what will happen is, I'll show you how this is going to look, and we'll assign this. Very simple. There it is. Now what happens is, when the students get a look at this, okay, they're going to be able to add, once they type on a Google Doc, down here they're going to be able to add that Google Doc. They'll be able to upload that file. That's probably another video for another time. But right now that's what we have here. Now, if you want to create an announcement, you come over here. Now that was creating an assignment. That's creating an assignment. So that was reusing the post from the last time. So now we're going to create a new assignment. I'm going to click on this. And the assignment we're going to create is going to be really, really simple. We're going to say here, create a slideshow about using good, or let's say about having good digital footprints. And so we'll put that over here. And our instructions, actually this is probably way too much, but over here we're going to say create a slideshow on Google Slides that is 5, or that contains 5 slides demonstrating ways to maintain good digital footprints. And then we can be even more specific. We can say over here, each slide must contain an image, title, text, and content. And that's just simple. I mean, let's see, demonstrating, I spelled that wrong. We'll fix that. All right, so then I would assign that, and I could also assign from here. Let's say I had a sample I wanted to show them, assign them different things. So, all right, so let's go here and assign that. So now we reused the post, and we created an assignment. And one more thing we're going to show you is we're going to create an announcement. Okay, so if we're going to create an announcement, I'm going to click the announcement like this. It's going to say, welcome to computers. And this is a little late, but that's okay. I'm going to add over here in our Google Drive, upload it from the computer. Right here. And we have computer rules. And as you see, this will show up. Watch, it's pretty cool. So right here is the PDF of our computer rules. All right. So that's how you can add some assignments and some announcements to your Google Classroom. And in a few minutes, I'll come back and I will show you how you can create a question for your class to answer. That's pretty cool. All right, thanks for watching.